Okay, so you're investors, so welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're talking about Zomedica, so ticker symbol ZO. So some recent news came out regarding this stock, whereby the CEO issued a shareholders letters. But yeah, I'm just gonna dive into the letter and I'll give you my opinion. But yeah, if you like the straightforward approach, then please subscribe down below and hit that like button and support the channel. But yeah, like I said, let's just dive into this letter. So first of all, I'm just gonna pick out the most important parts that I felt like were important. But yeah, let's just read the first part where it says, "Dear shareholders, I'm hopeful that you had a pleasant holiday season and wish you the best during the new year. We at Zomedica are excited to enter 2021 ready for a year of positive events. As a result of the recent increase in price of our common shares over the last several weeks, investors have been exercising their outstanding warrants, which has resulted in Zomedica receiving more than $40 million in additional cash through January 15, 2021. This additional infusion of cash further enhances our already very healthy balance sheet. Our cash and cash equivalent is now in excess of 90 million net of all capital and operating expenditures from the fourth quarter. We're expecting that this amount will be sufficient to fund operation to at least 2023. Our goal is to be cash flow positive at that point. So they're planning to be profitable by 2023. They've got excess cash flow of 90 million, which is amazing. So first of all, I fact this company does have a strong financial balance sheet and then a good financial position, despite the fact that this is a penny stock that is under $1. And a lot of reasons why these penny stocks are penny stocks is because of their financials, and this is not the case for this company. So 90 million in excess cash, that is very good, and this is enough to take them through for operation through to 2023, so 2 years. So this company is doing very well. So I feel like this cash on hand will allow this company to grow and further develop their product and also their customer base to take advantage of the market now, whereby, like I said in my past video, the pet market is absolutely booming with more people adopting pet more than ever due to the whole COVID and due to the whole pandemic. So this company having this cash in hand will allow them for easy expansion to go global and also to grow the company, which is important for bringing up sales and also revenue, and this is going to translate to the share price. So like I said, I love this company long term. If you watch my past video, I've been advocating this company since it was at 48 cents. It went as high as $1.40, now back down to just under $1. But yeah, this is very good news. I like the extra cash on hand. I feel like it's important, especially for these penny stocks. It kind of reduces the risk when investing in these penny stocks. But yeah, let's just go a bit further. So if we go a bit further down the letter, it also says, we are of course approaching the planned March the 30th commercial launch of the TRUFORMA, our point diagnostic platform. Commercialization still remains on track and we're beginning to build inventory. As our sale effort begins, we intend to implant controlled release phase, wherein we slowly begin the sale of TRUFORMA instruments and at least 3 assays in a limited geographic area in order to test our distribution system to be sure that this performs as we anticipate during these COVID challenging times. So yeah, so here again, as we can see, the company is on track for the release date, which is March the 30th. So in my past video, I did say March the 31st, and I promise you I saw March the 31st, and now it's March the 30th. So excuse me for that. So it's March the 30th. That's when the product comes out. So as it says here, they are on track in terms of getting the product out on time, the commercialization of the TRUFORMA point of care and product. So this again is amazing, and this again is good news. I mean, we all knew they were always going to be on time in terms of getting the product out, but them kind of reconfirming it just a couple months beforehand, this can also affect the stock price, because like I said, this product is going to do very well in the market. It might be a bit slow because the whole COVID and the pandemic aren't going, but as far as the market, this pet market is booming. So last year alone in 2020, Americans spent 90 billion on pet alone, and that was a whole new record. So this pet market is booming. So they're in a booming market. They've got a product that is high in demand and has a big need. So this can only mean future success for this company. And yeah, I feel like that was the most important part to this letter, and most of it was just what we already knew. So I feel like there's no point me reading the letter all over again, because I've probably related the same information to you, or you've probably seen the same information. So most of it was just a bit of jumble, but nevertheless it was reassuring for the CEO to come out and just reassure investors, and that is always very good news when you're invested in a company or looking to get invested in a company. But yeah, if you want to read the rest of the letter, I'll link it down below in the description section. So click the link. I think it's Yahoo Finance. So click the link and you find the letter. Then you can read the full thing and just get your own opinion. Especially if you're investing in this stock, it's always good to do your own research, do your own due diligence, and kind of get your own thinking as to regards to how you feel about the letter. But yeah, moving forward, so this company now, but yeah, before we move forward, and please smash that like button and also subscribe down below. It will be much appreciated. But yeah, moving forward, so this company now is sitting at 0.98, so 98 cents, and it's still up over 100% on the weekly chart. So for anyone that's new to the channel, this company is a veterinary company that plans to meet the unmet needs of the veterinary clinicians. So this company is developing a product called the True Format Point of Care Diagnostic Platform, which is a technology that detects adrenal and thyroid diseases in cats and dogs, and it's targeted at a market that's worth, or expected to be worth, 5 billion by 2025. So that's huge. And like I said, the product comes out on March the 30th. So in my last video, I did tell you that short term I see the stock potentially dipping, but now we've got this news that came out, the shareholders letter. I think this is going to act as a small catalyst, but I think it's going to be a pump and dump. So people are going to buy in, pump the stock up. It might go above $1 again, then people are going to sell off and take profit. And like I said, as we get towards March the 30th, we're going to see the stock rise up. Then closer to the date of the actual product coming out, I feel like we're going to get a dip. Then once the product is out on the market and doing well, and their quarterly earnings reflect this, then we're going to get a huge increase in the stock price. So for me, is a long-term play. I believe in this company. They've got great financials, they've got great products, and they've got a great management team, which is the three things that I like to see in a company. And this being a penny stock, this can mean huge gain. So when you can find a penny stock that has the potential to even leave that penny stock status, that is a huge gain. So I like this company. I like where this company is going. I feel like this shareholders letter was very reassuring for investors in this company. But yeah, guys, that's just the news I wanted to bring to you. As of is the stock a buy now? I feel like under $1 is a buy. If it dips, maybe I'd say 80 cents or below, I will add my position, because like I said, short term I see the stock going to potentially $2, maybe $3 before the product comes out. Then it's going to take a sharp dip. Then after that, I can see the stock going back up to the $3 cost base and even $4. So if you're talking about the end of the year, this stock can potentially 4x from where it's at now, even 5x. So I'm very optimistic about this company because I like their products, I like the management team, and now I like their financials. They've got a good balance sheet despite the fact that it's a penny stock. So yeah, this is all good news. I like where this company is going. Like I've not got a lot of bad things to say about this company apart from the fact that it is a penny stock, and obviously penny stock comes with risk and volatility. But if you're holding the penny stock long term, then you don't need to worry about the volatility. All you need to do is maybe catch the dips. So when it goes low enough, a nice dip, like I said, below 80 cents is a nice dip, then you can add to your position. But yeah, with these penny stock, please don't chase it. So when it's at its peak, when it's going up, don't chase the stock, because you might buy at its peak, then you'd be down on your investment. So don't chase the stock. With these penny stock, it's a lot of pump and dump, because we got a lot of short-term traders and day traders. So people pump the stock, then it goes back down heavy. So you want to get the dip so you can get in the next run up. And if you're holding long term, then you don't need to worry about the volatility, because long term, ultimately, you're gonna make money on your investment. But yeah, guys, the stock is sitting at 98 cents. like I said, short term $2, $3, then potentially it's going to the moon after the product comes out in the market. But yeah guys, that's just a quick video to update you. I hope you found this video useful, and as always, please smash that like button and also subscribe down below to support the channel. It will be much appreciated. But yeah guys, we'll catch you in the next video, and yeah, thank you for watching this video.